friends, welcome to be a part of Creative Wanderers. This is a short video on the concept known as expression versus statement. And you will definitely hear me always telling throughout this course that this is an expression, this is a statement, again this is an expression, and so on. At that time, you should not get confused. So that let's explore them. Let's say we have a variable x. This is x, which is equal 20. So we are assigning the value 20 to this variable x. And then we are storing the divided value. That is, we are going to divide this x by 5 and storing it another variable known as result. And result equal x divided by 5. So here, this is an expression, whereas this whole thing is a statement. When I say that, an expression always results a value. Let's check it out. I just print this result and run this. We got it as 4, right? So an expression always results a value. And we are assigning that value to this variable known as result. So this is an expression and this is a statement. And this is all about the concept expression versus statement. Nothing more in this video. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.